Hi, I'm Santosh. I'm a user experience designer and I worked on an interesting project titled Envisioning Urban Air Commute in Hyderabad. This project explores the potential of air taxi services in Hyderabad to address urban traffic challenges. In this video, I will take you through the problem, the design solution, and the process behind it. Let's begin with the urban mobility challenge. The rapid growth of metro cities has resulted in increased urban traffic, leading to airports being moved to the outskirts to reduce congestion. This has happened in Bangalore and Hyderabad, and it is underway in Mumbai, Chennai, and a few tier 2 cities. Hyderabad Airport sees around 60,000 commuters and 10,000 cars entering its terminals daily. City residents travel 30 to 80 kilometers to reach the airport, with travel times ranging from 45 minutes to 3 hours during peak hours, sometimes as long as the flight duration itself. This project envisions a faster, more convenient airport transport mode with the potential to expand to other city routes. Hyderabad's commercial and residential hubs are widely dispersed across the city. Major commercial hubs include Secunderabad, Banjara Hills, High Tech City, and the Financial District. The international airport, located in the southern part of the city, is distant from these key areas. Residents near the outskirts primarily rely on the Outer Ring Road, a 160-kilometer toll road encircling the city, while inner city residents use the PV Narsimha Rao Expressway, a 12-kilometer flyover connecting Mehdipatnam to Aramghar near the airport. Analyzing the map reveals that people from areas like Miapur, Kompally, Banjara Hills, or High Tech City must navigate either congested city routes or pay tolls for longer alternatives to reach the airport. Airport commuters fall into three main categories: business travelers, who are time sensitive and cost tolerant. They pay a premium for a faster commute. Frequent flyers, who are loyalty driven, use convenient services aligned with their travel schedules. Once trust is built, they bring repeat value. Families, who usually fly during vacations or emergencies. As multiple bookings should be made, affordability is a key concern here. Currently, most business travelers and families rely on cabs, while frequent flyers prefer a mix of cabs and the affordable Pushpak bus services. Air taxis offer a faster and more convenient urban commute solution. Initially, they can operate as scheduled hourly services on busy routes like airport connections, with expansion to other routes as per demand. Lightweight vertical takeoff and landing aircrafts are a perfect fit as air taxis. They are like flying cars designed for short urban routes. These VTOLs operate between vertiports, which are compact helipads with front desks, refueling facilities, and commuter amenities. They can be installed on rooftops, open spaces, or reinforced helipads. Most VTOLs are either hydrogen fueled or electric, which are called eVTOLs. eVTOLs are suitable for cities due to their low noise levels and zero emissions. As of now, manufacturers in India have already built VTOL prototypes capable of carrying payloads of 500 kgs over distances exceeding 100 kilometers. Analyzing Hyderabad's key hubs reveals two optimal routes: Airport to Kompally, passing through Banjara Hills and Secunderabad; Airport to Miapur via High Tech City. These routes connect major residential and commercial centers to the airport, ensuring accessibility and convenience for commuters. As a part of the launch strategy, elite spaces like star hotels and commercial hubs, most of which have helipads, can serve as vertiports. For commuters who are not residing in these spaces or carrying excess luggage, cab and luggage handling services are crucial for last mile connectivity. A shared revenue model with property owners and logistic vendors ensures growth while keeping services premium yet competitively priced. The pricing can match premium cab services. In this slide, you can see the suitable properties that can accommodate the service. An air taxi route from Minerva Grand in Kompally to Novotel in Airport via Marriott in Secunderabad and Taj Krishna in Banjara Hills is feasible. Another route from My Home Raka in Miapur to Novotel Airport via ITC Kohinoor is also possible. These properties are elite spaces that are easily accessible to public as they are in prime locations. Novotel Airport, located near the terminals, can offer complimentary shuttle services, enhancing commuter convenience. Launching in these elite spaces ensures well maintenance and a steady flow of commuters. As we look at the user journey, users book their air taxi ride and reach the vertiport for departure. After check-in, they onboard and fly in air taxi to their destination. Upon arriving at the vertiport, they check out and reach the end destination in free shuttles or cab services. Key features of the service include booking air taxi on an app or at vertiports with PNR integration for optimized recommendations. Add-ons like cabs and excess luggage handling ensure seamless last-mile connectivity. Vertiports offering amenities like Wi-Fi, work pods, cafeterias, washrooms, and accessibility features like wheelchairs. The vertiports should have dedicated spots to handle commuters and luggage. In the upcoming slides, let's see how these features can be accommodated in a mobile app. These are the low-fidelity wireframes or blueprints of the app for air taxi service. The landing page offers options to select dates and the to and from locations for the air taxi ride. By entering a flight PNR number, users can automatically fetch recommended rides. They can also book multiple tickets in one go, and smart add-ons like cab services, porter services, or wheelchair assistance as required. These screens show how users can book an Uber to reach the vertiport from their current location. If they are booking an air taxi from the airport, they can also book an Uber to get to their end destination seamlessly. These screens demonstrate how users can book a porter service for excess luggage handling. Users can select a convenient luggage pickup location or hand it over at the vertiport for ground staff to manage. If the air taxi is booked from the airport, users can opt for the porter to deliver their luggage directly to their destination. For advance bookings, the system suggests a time slot for pickup that aligns with the flight schedule. Payments for all services, including smart add-ons, are unified into a single transaction. Vendors receive their share only after the service is successfully completed. Once the payment is processed, users receive a single ride OTP that covers all rides, including the air taxi, Uber, and porter services. If users prefer to reach the vertiport on their own, they can navigate using integrated maps. Once they arrive at the vertiport's location, that are typically large commercial spaces like star hotels or shopping malls, the app provides guidance to the check-in counter for a smooth experience. After arriving at the property hosting the vertiport, users can follow step-by-step text or audio instructions to reach the check-in counter. At the final step, they can access the ride QR code or ride OTP, which is required for check-in. Users can check in at the vertiport by scanning the ride QR code. Once checked in, they gain access to facilities like free Wi-Fi with credentials provided in the app. At the same time, they can track their air taxi ride and porter service in real time if chosen. Once on board the air taxi, users can access Wi Fi using the credentials provided in the app. After deboarding at the destination vertiport and checking out, if their luggage hasn't arrived yet, they can select the terminal where it should be handed over. Meanwhile, they can use the free shuttle service to reach their terminal. Once all services are completed, users can provide feedback. The second screen highlights a potential alert for scenarios where a porter may not be able to deliver luggage on time before a flight. The third screen showcases possible notifications such as reminders to use air taxi for upcoming trips, updates on air taxi schedules, and luggage handling notifications. These screens demonstrate how air taxi can be seamlessly integrated into platforms like Make My Trip, allowing users to add it as an option while booking flight tickets or hotel rooms. These are the mock-up screens for air taxi booking, including ride suggestions, selecting add-ons, and booking confirmation. There would be a couple of backend and support operations for hassle-free experience. Here are a few of them. Security checks for passengers and luggage, fuel refill or battery charging, help desk and vertiports maintenance, real-time weather monitoring and communication with municipal authorities of the city to inform the users in case of service delays or cancellations. integration with cab and luggage handling vendors, and lastly, customer support through in app chat interface and toll free numbers. Air taxis hold immense potential for future enhancements. AI integration for route optimization, predictive maintenance, and emergency response. Inclusivity for linguistically diverse and physically challenged commuters. Emergency airlifts for medical purposes. Connectivity for events happening in and around the vertiport localities. Service expansion to new hubs as regions between the Outer Ring Road and Regional Ring Road develop. Thank you for staying till the end of this walkthrough. I hope you found it interesting. Let me know your thoughts and check out the detailed documentation linked in the description.